morning to everyone. So in this experiment we are going to verify the Stefan-Boltzmann constant value. To verify this value we will be having a certain components in this experiment. So there will be a hemisphere inside this dome. Okay, so there will be a hemisphere, so it will be looking like this. So hemisphere will be mounted inside this dome, and we will be having a water tank. So the water tank will be used to supply the hot water over the hemisphere through this tube. Okay, while adjusting this valve, the hot water will be made to flow through the pipe, and it will be flowed over the flow over the hemisphere. Okay, inside the hemisphere there will be a vacuum or there will be no medium. So below which we are going to insert a copper block, which is used to find out the heat transfer, and we are going to verify the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. Now here in this experiment we can see a COM plug. So top of the plug we can see a small thickness copper block will be mounted, and this copper block will be used to find out the Stefan-Boltzmann constant in this experiment. So heat is transferred. Here we are going to give heat input to this copper block by means of hemisphere surface to this copper block by means of radiation. Okay, so here all other mode of heat transfer will be eliminated. Only we are going to consider the radiation mode. Okay, so that once the reading can be started. So how the reading will be taken means, once the hot water is made to flow over the surfaces, okay, and it will be spilled and it will be taken carried by the hot another mug. And now what we are going to do, once the hemisphere has been reached a certain temperature, and now we are going to insert this copper block into this system. Okay, so it will be inserted through this. So once if we have inserted, immediately what we have to do, we should start to note down the reading, specimen temperature T3. So the system, the knob has to be moved to T3. Once if we have inserted, immediately we have to note down the temperature of the specimen at a seconds interval. So for every 1 second, what should be the temperature of the specimen after inserting the specimen into the chamber. Okay, so now the heat is transferred from the hemisphere to this copper surface by means of radiation. Okay, so here in this experiment you can see T1 is the left side hemisphere temperature, T2 is the right side hemisphere temperature, and T3 is the specimen temperature, and T4 is the hot water temperature. So for calculation we don't have any reading for hot water temperature, but we need hot water, so that we have to note down the temperature of hot water. Once the hot water temperature is reached around 80 or 90 degrees Celsius, we can allow the hot water through this pipe to the hemisphere. Okay, so with this method we are going to find out the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. We are going to verify the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. Okay, thank you.